Hello everyone, myself Karan from Code Rebel team. Actually, this time we are doing an SIH project on a problem statement based on phishing detection. So our project is basically detecting a phishing URL using a chatbot. So I'll give you the outline of the project now. The outline of the project is the user opens our interface. It's an interface. The interface consists of chatbot. So our user gives the URL to the chatbot. The chatbot uses hybrid techniques to predict and provide output, like it provides whether it is a phishing site or an HTML site. So now I'll explain the process, what's all happening in our project. So as you can see the flow chart. So in our flow chart, what is happening is the user provides URL, as you can see. It provides URL to the chatbot. The chatbot processes it by first checking the SSL certificate. So when the SSL certificate fails, every website consists of an SSL certificate, which tells us whether the URL is a safe site or a phishing site. Like phishing site means the site is not safe, so it may be used for scamming or fraud techniques. Our project is basically to detect the phishing sites. These can be used in many ways. I'll explain it later. Now I'll explain about the process. So when the SSL certificate fails, when it finds whether the SSL certificate is missing, it goes to the chatbot and the chatbot tells us the URL is invalid. So invalid in the sense the URL cannot be processed anymore. But when an SSL certificate also gives us correct prediction, like when the URL consists of an SSL certificate, it can also be phishing website anymore. So we move on to the next step. That is, we have already trained a hybrid model using deep learning and machine learning, and this model uses to predict site is phishing or not. So after that, the prediction comes to the chatbot again. The chatbot displays the site is phishing or not. So I'll explain the processes which is happening in the deep learning and machine learning hybrid model. So this is our code. This code is a hybrid model which we give a data set. It trains the data set using deep learning as well as machine learning. So what we use is, we use these models. We use Keras model for deep learning. We use LSTM and MLP hybrid model inside the deep learning. So what's happening is, we use deep learning, inside it we use a hybrid model, then we go to the machine learning and we combine both deep learning and machine learning. So here we have collected a data set of 6 lakh URLs, that's 50% estimate site and consists of 50% phishing sites. So we have trained this data set using deep learning and machine learning. In deep learning we have used LSTM plus MLP for feature training, and it trains, then it again feature trains with TF-IDF. TF-IDF is a feature training done for machine learning. So after TF-IDF feature training is done, this LSTM feature training and TF-IDF feature training combines together, and then the voting classifier process starts to happen. Voting classifiers is nothing but it runs the classifiers of the machine learning. We use random forest classifier as well as AdaBoost for classifying the URL websites. That is our machine learning process. So after the machine learning process is done, we combine both the machine learning process and the deep learning process together and form an ensemble model. This ensemble model is saved in our system. So this ensemble model is what we use in the chatbot's backend, so that the chatbot uses this model and predicts whether the site is phishing or not. So this is our interface. So what we are actually doing is, now we are giving a phishing site for testing this interface. So we submit this phishing site and it first checks for the SSL certificate. So there's no SSL certificate. So it doesn't mean it is an estimate site. So it again goes for predicting. This predicting takes the hybrid model training data set and uses it for prediction, and as per its prediction, it tells us whether the site is phishing or not. So here we can clearly see that it is a phishing site. So I gave a phishing site already, so it predicted correctly as it's a phishing site. So this is our project. We are using a chatbot to detect whether a site is phishing or not. This project helps us in many ways. Actually, we have planned to develop this interface as per our business proposal. So we are not only stopping here, we are going for a business proposal. So we'll develop this interface a lot more enough to present it neatly. Now, this project can be used in many ways, like in government sectors, private sectors, organizations, defense sectors. Anyways, so when people confuse between legitimate site and phishing site, they can provide a site here. So it provides the data whether it is a phishing site or a legitimate site. This can be used in many ways.